I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung TV supports Bluetooth and then opening the right menu. Go to Settings, then Sound or Connections depending on model. This is where pairing lives. Put your headset, speaker, or remote into pairing mode so the TV can see it. Once done, keep the accessory close, roughly 3 to 10 meters, and turn off other Bluetooth sources because interference can prevent discovery. Now navigate to the TV's Bluetooth device list and prepare to add a new device. Next, you'll run the pairing action on the TV and on the accessory at the same time. Choose Add Bluetooth Device or open the speaker list. The TV will scan and display nearby devices. When you see your accessory's name, select it. This initiates pairing. Sometimes a PIN appears. Most Samsung pairings use 0000 or 1234, so confirm or enter that. Make sure you allow a few seconds for the connection to establish. If the TV reports successful pairing, proceed to set the accessory as the Finally, make the new device the active audio output so sound routes correctly. Go to Sound Output or Speaker Settings and select your paired accessory. This ensures apps and TV audio use it. If you notice audio delay, try enabling game mode or adjust AV sync in sound settings to align sound with the picture. If pairing fails or drops, restart both the TV and the accessory, clear old pairings. Then retry. That simple reset fixes most Bluetooth hiccups and gets you back to clean audio quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.